Can you do the Puerto Rican proof dance that you're Puerto Rican?
Fuck yeah, I don't fucking care about me.
What do you mean? You're a handsome guy.
Give me wow.
You looking sexy. Yo, listen. You gotta do the dance. That's how we know if you're Puerto Rican or Mexican.
Fuck you.
Who's that guy?
Yo.
Still, tell him,
Take
yo.
this stupid shit up.
I'm back at that job. One that I pumped down. I'm gonna put these guys back. Here goes our old lines. We connect the piping, secure all electrical, and pull the vacuum and release the gas. It's all pumped down. Hey Steve, this is my box. One I was telling you about. Same brand that you have, the new one. And I actually got this idea from you to make this my plumbing box. And my top fits just nice, man. And I still have room. You can see I can still move it around. It's a 20-inch box, and it's just strictly plumbing stuff. That's what I'm using it for, and I love it. It's an awesome box, real strong. The metal's real thick and strong, man. Not like the new Craftsman garbage they got. Real strong, and I'm not sure if this is powder coated or not. Doesn't seem like just regular paint. Feels nice. That's my box, Steve. I just wanted to show it to you. Give me some water, Tommy. Come on, I'll sweat this out. I gotta put a rag on it. Just go down to the basement, look for a bathroom or something. Don't worry, take your time. Rush slowly. I make a video for YouTube. Swedge it out, make a nice little bend. Try to make it look nice a little bit. Cut. Okay, that's that. First one gonna be right here at 19 there. We're gonna bend the first one right here at 19, Tommy. Yeah, buddy. Guys, this is Tommy. He's apprentice and he's going to school to be engineer. They call him Tommy the Irish. Tommy the Irish. So I gotta sweat that over there. Hey, Tommy.
What's up?
Alright, I'll sweat that later. Alright, let me bring the 3/8. Tommy the Irish, you wanna catch it? Woohoo! 3/8. Here we go. We'll just get the nitrogen, we'll braze it. Okay. Alright, Tommy.
Yeah.
Now, I'm thinking about just using those dryers that I haven't. It's good dryers. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just out of the box.
Yeah.
So I gotta use it up. We have to use it. Okay. So let's take this guy out. So the dryer goes towards the condenser, right?
Yes, sir.
Did you just say yes, sir? Oh my Jesus. Oh my Jesus, Tommy.
No one.
Okay, now cut me a little piece for that.
Yep.
Okay, already. We'll use some insulation. We're gonna cut these out and do it the same way because it looks real ugly. Although we're not getting paid to do this extra work, but we like to keep it nice and neat. Right, Tommy?
That's the way we do it.
That's how we do it. So I'm gonna cut this one here, swedge it, and do the same. I'll show you this nice, love this Armor Flex here. It has two different tapes, sticky parts. One's here, you pull the inside off, and then this one goes right over it. And it just makes your job easier to insulate it. So we're on to number 2. I'm just going to spread these up. I'm going to cut it here because those elbows are kind of squished. I'm going to swedge it here using the Hillmore tool, which is outstanding, by the way, because I haven't used not even one single fitting. My fitting bucket, the little coffee can there, has fittings, and I haven't even used it. That's what the Hillmore is good for. You totally would save money on fittings. Alright, hold on, Tommy. Let me help you with that one. Bring it over it. Okay. Now I'm going to cut this little bit here.
Do you have a knife you need?
I don't need a knife. Okay, so you're going to take off the inner tape first. You just put, what you do is you put this back like that. Bring this back. This one. See this tape? You roll it back, right? So you can get the inner. Yeah, I'm gonna pull the inner off. Here, I'm pulling mine off. Here, Tommy, take that one. And you just let it stick together.
It sticks to the pipe, the other tape.
It might stick to the pipe a little bit, but don't worry. We'll just kind of. This is Tommy the Irish. He's an apprentice and going to some. What school you go to, Tommy?
State University of New York, Adele High.
State University of New York, Adele High. You don't get high in there, do you?
Sure.
Educational purposes, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Nothing for now. I'm just swedge this. We're gonna. Oh, this tool is just amazing, man. This tool is amazing, Tommy. There was a picture. Alright guys, we're done with the piping. It looks a hell of a lot better than what it originally was. It's off the floor. They had it on the floor before it was old and ugly. And we put it back the way they wanted it. And we modified the piping a little bit. Not too much because we're not paid to modify the piping. We're only paid to take off the condensers, put them on that side, and then bring it back when they're done with the roofing, which is what they did. And we put them back nicer than what they had before. On the originally, if you watch the Carrier pump down video, you'll see what I'm talking about. That piping was horrible, and we can't make a hole on the wall because they don't want us to make holes, to secure the piping on the wall. Okay, vacuum pulled. Again, just want to show you piping. We're gonna wire these guys up. The voltage. Alright guys, we're in the vacuum. I'm going to release the Freon for this one. Freon refrigerant. And these guys are not going to work till summertime. So, holy, holy cannoli, it's really freezing holy. back seat these all the way, and then you take off your gauges. I should get low loss fittings on that, but I don't use these gauges much, only pulling a vacuum. Make sure this is closed. Alright. Okay. De minimis relays. Okay. All right. It's that one. Hey, I bet you guys never saw a service wrench like this one before. They don't sell this one at your supply house. From Amazon, gear wrench. It's closed. You don't see the gears. Alright, this one is completo. So we're gonna pull a vacuum on this one, and that's it, guys. Martin here is gonna put the wires back here. El Caritito, high efficiency. Good units. Close that up. Let me get my thing. You done with that? That's it? Alright, yo, do me a solid. Take this vacuum pump out of here. After you're done, put it by the thing. Alright guys, that's it. That's the final results. Like I said, originally we came here just to move the condensers over to the other side of the roof. They're going to do the roofing and then we put it back. But the piping was so ugly originally that I talked him into kind of just running it against the wall as opposed to on the floor. And that's the best she's going to get. That's it. Alright.